Yo, what's up guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video we're gonna be looking at this guy right here, which is the Apple Watch Series 6. So yeah, I'm finally getting a watch. So this is a gift that I got on my birthday. So I was kind of like struggling a bit to actually decide what is it that I want, but I realized that, you know what, there's something that I'm actually missing is the Apple Watch. I know I'm more of a analog watches, so but I think it's time for me to sort of like go digital. There's a lot of benefit that comes in with this guy. So we're just gonna go open. I've never done an Apple Watch before on my channel. I've never unboxed any or just do a single review. So this is my first time experience with the Apple Watch. So we're gonna go through this together. So this is still sealed, and to give you a little bit of information around it, this is an Apple Watch Series 6, which is blue, which has a blue aluminum case, and it has deep navy sport band, and it's a 44mm in size, which means there's also a 41, and then this one supports GPS and cellular. Yep, that's what it says. So let me just go ahead and open it. There's no other information around it, so let's see if we can just open it quickly. Okay, so this is one of the products that I got to open first hand before someone has switched them on for insurance purposes. So, and also that's because you can still go and get the Apple Care even if your device is opened, whereas it's a different case with cell phones. Most companies don't allow you, or most retailers don't allow you to get out with the phone until it's insured. Otherwise, when you come back, they won't allow you to insure it again. So let's go on and open it. We open this thing. Okay, seems a bit tricky. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh god, am I? Okay, I hope this is right. Yeah, I got it right. Let's go ahead and open. So the thing that you see on the side, I hope I can put this aside. So basically the packaging, you know what Apple does with the packaging. You basically see different color of watches around this packaging, which I'm going to put aside. There's nothing else, no stickers or anything on this part, so I'm going to put that aside, and then we're left with this, where you can actually see the color of the watch right there. I'm not sure if that's the actual color of the watch. I don't know if that's the reason why we have a blue one here, but I guess so. So let's see. And then okay, this is like two parts, so I can take this aside. So this is the actual watch itself. I believe it has chargers as well inside, so I'm gonna put this aside, and then let's look at this. So this is where we find in the band, obviously, to connect with the watch, and then on this side it says 44mm deep navy sport band. So let's go ahead and open it, and then okay, seems like this is a pull tab, and then let's go ahead and okay, there's nothing else. I'm gonna put this aside. Some paperwork which I'm not gonna go through. Apple Watch, and let's go ahead and open that. And all around this packaging there's a lot of information and instruction on how you actually set it up, the watch, to basically connect it to the strap. So which we will look into that when we connect the watch together. So what I like about this is you basically get like a two set, more especially on this one here that has like the pins where you clip the watch together. So depending on what size you are, so this one it's a medium to large, and then this one is a small. So we'll see which one works in for me. And this side we just have one side which I think it's standard across. So let's put this aside, and then we'll look into this in a moment. Let's actually take them out and see. I'm gonna take my bet with the smaller one. And nice, that feels good. I'm actually liking the look and feel of this thing, you know. All right, let's put this aside, and then we're gonna take on this side, we'll take the other one. All right, remove the plastic, and let's put this aside. And now let's go in and look at the watch itself. Okay, so when you open the box, you basically, this is what you see. Let's take the watch itself. It's covered in a blue paper-like material, just to match the watch as well. I'll put this aside and then let's open in here. And more paperwork. This is just actually instruction on how you actually put your watch together, and also how you charge it. So I'm gonna put that aside, and then let's look at the charger. Okay, this is the charger, which on the other side it's a normal USB. Is it? Okay, all right. Yeah, it's a normal USB-A, and this is where you actually put in the watch like this to actually charge it, and it's magnetic. That's when you put it and then it sticks so that it doesn't fall when you're charging it. So we're not gonna go through it with that, but however, I would be happy if this was a type C. Anyway, let's put that aside and then look at the watch itself. There's nothing else in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just take it out of here. I hope I'm doing this right, because I didn't read the instruction or anything like that, and I believe we can break this. Okay, there we go. The watch is out, and I don't know if it's switching on, but there's a logo in there. Is it? Okay. All right, it's powering up. I don't know if I press something to power it up, or is it the moment I remove that I was actually powering it up. But in the meantime, let's see if I can. Okay, it's saying low battery to continue. I'll connect Apple Watch to its charger, and then I'm gonna do just that. But in the meantime, let's just connect all the bands together. What? Okay, that was simple. Now I'm gonna put this one this side. Okay, and that was also simple. There we have our watch connected. I'm not sure if it's gonna allow us to continue before we can use it, but I think let me go ahead and charge it, and then we will continue with the video. So I couldn't wait until this watch gets charged fully, so I decided to just bring in the power bank closer, then we will set it up while it's charging. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So it starts saying that bring your iPhone closer, and then yeah, I can see my phone has already detected that it wants to start pairing. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on start pairing, and then it's asking me if I'm setting up for myself or for a family member. It's for myself, and then let's see, and then it opens up for me to scan what's displayed on the phone, on the watch, which is whatever's going on in there. So I'm gonna bring these two together, and then let's see. Okay, it is paired, it's displaying. Then I'm gonna go ahead and say set up Apple Watch on my left wrist, and then let's see what happens. So connecting to your Apple Watch, this may take a couple of moments, so let's give it some time while it's doing that. Okay, so it's moving on, setting up the language. Okay, so now on the phone I'm presented with the terms and conditions, which I'm just gonna go ahead and agree, and let's go. Continue. What's this? Install. Okay, so it's busy syncing the apps, and then as soon as that is done, we will be ready to use the watch. So I'm not sure how long that will take. Okay, so that took a little bit longer, but now it's done. So it's done synchronizing the apps. It says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. So I've just pressed it, and it made some sound, and there we are, and it's showing the time there. It's 18:35, and my other watch is also saying the same thing, 18:35, which is great. So let me just put it on, and I will tell you how it falls. So I also like the fact that it charges fast. I'm not sure if it's the charger thing, but already we are close to 50%, and in no time. So let me just put it on and see. Okay, so I finally managed to put on the watch, which was a little bit of a challenge. I think it's because I chose the small size strap, but nonetheless it fits well, and it's looking good. So I chose the blue in color so that it can match my iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is also blue in color. So that's the reason why I'm kind of like going along with most of the blue things in my inventory. So but to tell you a little bit about this watch is it has an always on display feature, and it also support blood oxygen, which the previous generations didn't have. So that's the only difference between Apple Watch Series 6 and the previous generation. So the rest of the stuff, I'm going to explore the functionality and all those kind of things. Like I said, I've never used an Apple Watch before. Give you guys feedback in weeks to come. So thank you so much for tuning, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Please subscribe, share this video, please drop a like. If you have anything you want to chat about, you can drop it on the comment section below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.